Hello friends, this is Mirjan Hippolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we will review the broker FxPro, its trading conditions, advantages and disadvantages, and share feedback from real users. FxPro is an international brokerage company founded in 1999. It is regulated by reputable authorities such as the FCA, CySEC, FSCA, and SCB. FxPro provides services in over 170 countries, offering access to more than 2,100 trading instruments, including currency pairs, stocks, indices, metals, energy commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The company's capital exceeds 100 million euros, confirming its reliability and stability. Now let's discuss the trading conditions at FxPro. The minimum deposit at FxPro is $100, allowing traders to start with a relatively small amount. Leverage goes up to 1 to 500, enabling traders to increase their trading volumes. Spreads start from 0 pips, depending on the account type and trading platform. The broker offers multiple trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and FxPro Edge, allowing traders to choose the one that best suits their trading style. Now about the advantages and disadvantages of FxPro. Regulation and security. FxPro holds licenses from several reputable regulators, ensuring a high level of trust and security for clients. Wide range of instruments. With over 2,100 trading assets, traders can diversify their investment portfolios and find the most suitable trading opportunities. Modern trading platforms. Support for popular platforms like MT4, MT5, and cTrader ensures flexibility and convenience in trading. Negative balance protection. An automated risk management system protects traders from going into a negative balance. Minimum deposit requirement. For some beginners, the $100 minimum deposit may seem too high to start trading. No cent accounts. The broker does not offer cent accounts, which may be inconvenient for traders who prefer to work with smaller volumes. Real traders reviews.
FxPro provides tools to adapt strategies to market conditions. I use Currency Mover, which tracks asset movements against major currencies over different timeframes. This real-time feature helps identify active and volatile instruments for trading.
FxPro's mobile platform is fast and user-friendly. Switching between instruments, wallet, and accounts is seamless. The More tab allows easy verification with options to upload documents from the gallery or take photos. Verifying my account was effortless.
I was skeptical about FxPro at first, but after months of use, I'm impressed. Account setup is simple, and support responds quickly with no generic answers. MT4 works well, but upgrading to cTrader, MT5 is a bonus. Withdrawals are free and fast.
Overall, FxPro has established itself as a reliable broker with competitive conditions for traders of various levels. However, like any company, it has its own features that should be considered when choosing a broker for trading. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon.